All right, settle down. Welcome to channel Simply English. Today we're talking about English verbs, the action words. Say the phrases out loud with me. Repeat twice. Read a simple sentence. Let's go. First up, verb to be. To be happy. To be happy.
I am happy today.
Next, verb to have. To have a car. To have a car.
She has a new car.
Then verb to do. To do my homework. To do my homework.
I do my homework every night.
To say. To say hello. To say hello.
Please say hello to your mom.
To go. To go to school. To go to school.
We go to school in the morning.
To get. To get a gift. To get a gift.
He will get a gift for his birthday.
To make. To make a cake. To make a cake.
My father can make a good cake.
To know. To know the answer. To know the answer.
I know the answer to the question.
To think. To think about it. To think about it.
I need to think about your idea.
To take. To take a photo. To take a photo.
Can you take a photo of us?
To see. To see a movie. To see a movie.
We will see a movie on Friday.
To come. To come home. To come home.
Please come home for dinner at 6.
Great job! 12 down. Keep repeating out loud. Let's finish strong. Ready for more? Here we go. To want. To want some water. To want some water.
The child wants some water.
To look. To look at the sky. To look at the sky.
Look at the beautiful blue sky.
To use. To use a computer. To use a computer.
I use a computer for my job.
To find. To find your keys. To find your keys.
I cannot find my keys anywhere.
To give. To give a hug. To give a hug.
She will give her friend a hug.
To tell. To tell a story. To tell a story.
My grandpa likes to tell a story.
To ask. To ask a question. To ask a question.
The student will ask a question.
To work. To work in an office. To work in an office.
My sister will work in an office.
To seem tired. To seem tired.
You seem very tired today.
To feel. To feel sad. To feel sad.
Sometimes I feel sad when it rains.
To try. To try something new. To try something new.
I want to try that new restaurant.
To leave. To leave the house. To leave the house.
I need to leave the house at 8 a.m.
And finally to call. To call my friend. To call my friend.
I will call my friend tonight.
And that's it. 25 verbs to open many doors for you. Repeat the phrases, make your own sentences, and use them daily. You can do this. I believe in you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Simply English.